This video I will show you how to buy and order from Whatnot. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Whatnot first, and right now, as you see, this is the home page. Right now I will search for something, for example pen that I want to to shop. I will go and click product, and as you see, many products. I will use this one. I like it. So if you want to just save it, click here. If you want to share it, click here. If you want to, for example, report it, click here. But for me, you want to buy it, click buy now. And right now you have to add your payment method, click it or add it here, and also add your address, your shipping address, and if you have promotion like a promo code, add it here and click confirm purchase. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.